You guys, so I wasn't going to make this 30-second video because I just made a 30-second video of I wanted to show you our microwave that is powered by a nuclear generator. I don't know which one. Apparently it's a really good brand because it's freaking really loud. So I'm just gonna let's just do it. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Right now I'm talking at average talking loudness. And yeah, it's pretty loud. I have no idea what nuclear generator is powering this thing, but please help because I feel like we're going to die.